Welcome to Telecommunications. Group Assignment.
The two objectives being discussed in this video are: number 1, explain the origins, growth, and roles of telecommunication systems in society, and secondly, describe how data is telecommunicated through telephone, cable, and satellite systems, as well as computer networks.
What is telecommunication? Telecommunication is the transmission of information by various types of technologies over wire, radio, optical, or other electromagnetic systems. The origins of telecommunication. The history of telecommunication began with the use of smoke signals and drums in Africa, Asia, and the Americas.
In the 1790s, the first fixed semaphore systems emerged in Europe. But it was not until the 1830s that electrical telecommunication systems started to appear. It all started with the invention of the telegraph in the 1830s and 1840s. Samuel Morse, the man who invented the device, revolutionized technology and made possible long-distance communication. We can't talk about telecommunications without mentioning Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell is a Scottish-born inventor who invented the first practical telephone. Alexander Graham Bell had his first public demonstration of his first telephone in 1876 at an exhibition that ushered a new era of communication.
The roles of telecommunication systems in society.
Technological foundation for societal communication. Communication plays a central role in the fundamental operations of a society, from businesses to government to families. Telecom services provide a platform necessary for data to be exchanged electronically, whether that be through wireless or wired means. How is data telecommunicated? Data is transmitted through electromagnetic waves. Data is transmitted in a telecommunication circuit by means of electrical signals called the carrier or the carrier wave. Satellites communicate by using radio waves to send signals to the antennas on the Earth. The antennas then capture those signals and process the information coming from those signals. From this mobile phone tower, the data are transmitted through the air to the mobile receiver. Mobile phones convert voice, text, multimedia messages or data calls into radio frequencies. Mobile phone base stations transmit and receive these radio frequency signals and connect callers to other phones and networks. A data network is a system designed to transfer data from one network access point to one other or more network access points via data switching, transmission lines, and system controls. Data networks consist of communication systems such as circuit switches, leashed lines, and packet switching networks. The growth of telecommunications. The global telecom market is expected to grow from $2,555.45 billion in 2020 to $2,713.53 billion in 2021 at a compound annual growth rate of 6.2%.
The market is expected to reach $3,461.03 billion in 2025 at a compound annual growth rate of 6%. July 29, 2021.
The role of telecommunications. Telecommunications provide a technological foundation for societal communications. Communication plays a central role in the fundamental operations of a society, from businesses to governments to families. Video summary.
In this video, we discuss telecommunications origins, its growth over the centuries, and the role telecommunication systems play as the foundation for communication in society,
including its first form as smoke signals and drums, the 1790s semaphore systems, and the 1830s first telecommunication system, the inventor Samuel Morse, the Alexander who invented the first practical telephone, and the annual compound growth of 6.2% from 2020 to 2021.
We also explained how data is transmitted through electromagnetic waves, whether that be as radio waves from satellites captured on Earth, through mobile phone towers, or the use of system controls, transmission lines, and data switching in computer networks.